Uy, 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 uy. Bumangga, offensive foul. Number 21, out. Step is up po. Pasok siya. Bang! Water, basket and one. The inbound, number 8. Step to bullseye. Pasok yan. That's Gulayan. Juan mo din na nag-dribble. Ang layo.
Shoutout kay Emme. Nasa taas. Shoutout kay Emme. Shoutout sa Surgi Boys. Surgi Boys. Shoutout kay Mama. Ma, sikat na kon.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Carazo, kalaban ng Abra at Bengo. And here you go, jump ball. Baile versus number 10. And this number 0 for Team Abra. Laureta. Pass inside. Oop. Reverse layup. No good. Too strong. And his Team Benguet. Number 8. Matatapikan dito. Marirecover. Pass back number 8. Takes. And for the inbound. Pass to number 8. Number 8 to number 12. Fires for 3. Bang! Bullseye! And his Team number 21. And number 27, Molina, launch 3. Bam! Pa lang, umuulan na ng tres. Castillo. On the corner 3. No good. And Calma for the inbound. Number 8, stop, launch 2. Bullseye! Team Abra. Number 0, Laureta. Launch 3, bam! And here you go, number 8. Attacks. 2-point shot, wala. Rebound. Floater, still no good. And recover number 7. Floater again, and the rebound by number 0. It's an air ball. And bounce pass to number 21. Attacks on the corner, floater. Basket and one. And his Team Benguet. Number 8, and launch shot throw number 12. Bang! Nothing but net. And here's number 21, Bizares, behind the back dribble, attacks, Bumangga, bounce pass inside, pinabitin, all good. And rebound by Calma. Calma to number 8. Pavestel, oh, matake, left-handed lays. No good. And that's number 0. To number 8. Number 7, one bounce. Uy, supalpal si Idol. And all alone. Number 0, easy basket. Number 7, Calma. Tinasa ng kalaban. At number 21, spins. To number 27, one dribble and fire. Basket is good. And here's number 8. To number 5. Pass back. And his number, Calma for 3. No good. Rebound number 10. Fade away shot. Kobe. Bizares. Launch 3. No good. And the rebound for number 8. Nagmamadali dito. Side step. Reverse layup. And basket is good. And his Team Abra fakes. Number 24 attacks. Lays up. Using the glass. And the basket is good. Get. And crossover. And pass it inside. Nalibre si Calma. And here you go, bounce pass. And fire off the glass. Too strong. And here's Team Abra, number 2, floater. And the basket is good. And here's number 31. Attack. Lays up. Too strong. Put back shot. And pass back. Here's number 21. Inside. Corner 2. Basket is good. That's number Duka. Duka. And pass inside. Bounce pass. Ang gandang pasa nun. Pero di pumasok. And recover. Tinira. Wala pa rin. And Hines Bulayan. And here's Team Abra. And Abra up by 1. Spins. Kicks out. Launch. No good. Put back shot. And that's the end of the first quarter. Here's number 8. 7. Fires. No good. Rebound. Long pass. Number 0. Fire. Oh, what a passing zone. Number 10, Kakaldag kicks out. Corner 3. No good. Too strong, bro. Wala pa rin. Rebound, put back. Ah, that basket is good. Long pass. Step back for 3. No good. Number 8 to number 12, Salma. Salma attack. Drive lane. Oh, in and out. Take pass. Basket and 1. Step up. Wala. Rebound number 8.
Nakunin number 8, number 8, pinilisan. Nakita yung kakampi, pasay number 12.
Number 12, Salma.
Salma. Pinalma ang bola.
Number 8.
Number 10.
Takes up. Bounce pass.
Muntik na
Recover number 10.
recover number 10 for the
Reverse
reverse
tie up.
layup.
Oh, that basket is found. And it's number 2, no look pass. Spins, takes, no good. For the back, rebound fakes. Number 21 takes up to number 21. Oh, plays up. Ang daming megos dun. Pass break na yun. And it's all alone. Easy basket. The corner. Bounce pass inside, takes. Fire. Oh, kahit tatlo yung gwardiya. Pasok pa rin yan, mga idol. And it's number 8.
Number 8 now, number 12.
No look pass. Bang! And it's number 0. Pass in the middle, fakes. One dribble, kicks out. Number 21, attack. Side step, plays up. Oh, pasok siya. Crossover, nakalusot sa idol. Pass inside, too strong. Number 21 is still coming. Bumanga, fade away, off the glass. Number 21, attack. Cross 2, no good. And quick plays up, basket and 1. And there you go. Number 0, Loretta. No good. Put back shot. Oh, number 2. And number 21, attack. Plays and score. Number 11, Lal. Pass to Kalma. Launch 3. No good. Rebound. Put back. Number 31 is still no good. And it's number 21. Oh, behind the back dribble. Oh! Basket and the foul! Nakatapitan at nagawang pass inside. Fade away shot. No good. Mare-recover. Tinasa sa loob. And connects. And 42-35 ang score. And here's Kalma. To number 18, Duka off the glass and scores. Number 21. Launch 3, no good. Here's Loretta on the middle. Bisan lays up and basket is good. And here's Team Abra. Bisares, spins, magakawan. Number 31, no, di na nag-dribble. Ang layo naman pinanggalingan nila. Bisares, pass to number 4, pass back Bisares. Loretta, behind the back pass. Uy, wala. Duka. Open na bitin.
Wala pa rin. Nakaalap talaga.
And fires. That's the end of Oop. And all alone. Lays up in a basket for 2. And here you go. Pass back on the corner. Launch 3. Bang! Bullseye. Attacks. Bizares side step. Oh, that's good too. Binit-bit lays up. Sinausaw. Wala pa rin. Yung pass. Oop, nakalusot na naman. That's Bizares. And here's Kavestani on the corner. On the middle. Free throw line. And here you go. Loretta pass to Bizares. Pass back. Bizares attack. Lays up in the basket. Oop, nagawan. Loretta. Bizares. Good for inbound. Stop. Pass inside. Uy. It's number 21. Tira sa post. Pasok yan. That's Gulat. Number 8. Kavestani. Success na naman. Bang! Long dribble. Loretta, Menyosa, pass inside. Oh, basket! And the number 5, umatake. Oh, ang gandang pass. Ada deliver and the finish. Here's number 2. Menyosa, launch 3. No good. Rebound kicks out. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Here's number 2. Menyosa. Pass to number 4. Gulayan. Fires. Basket is good. SU. Kavestani. Pass inside. Fake. Clutch. Pulse fire. Rebound. Kavestani. Put back of the glass. And scores. Matatapikan. And is Gulayan. Bumangga. Tumira off the glass. And put back. And pass inside number 8. Oh, basket is good. Makukuha ngayon ng team Benguet. And here's Calma to Kavestina. Attack, sidestep, pass inside. Create space, pass to number 30. And libre. Pull up J and scores for 2. And Loretta, umikot. Pass back to Loretta, pass on the middle. Gulayan, pull up J and scores. And here's number 5. Pass to number 8. Kavestani off the glass. And here's Loretta behind the back pass. Oops. And here's Duka. And pass back to Duka. Dot kick. Duka. Bounce pass. Corner 2. No good. Put back shot by number 31 and connects for 2. Bizares maglilinis ng sapatos. Bizares attacks. Bounce pass inside. Fires. Basket and 1. Pass 2. On the pull up J. Gulayan. Oh, basket is good. Kavestani. And pinasa umatake. Lays up. Too strong. Bizares. Mamaya sabi. Using the clock. Pass back Bizares. Bizares spins. Oh, Minekus. Spin na may Mekus. That's good for 2. It's number. It's Kavestani. Stop for 3. Calma. Bang! And here you go. Gulayan to number 14. Corner 3. Bang! Bullseye! 2 points lang yun mga idol. Kavestani. Inside pass. Fakes. Corner 3. Bang! Yun ang tres. The backdoor inbound, bounce pass. Kaldag, fade away shot. Kobe! Nasaan ang kalaban? Oh, peto na. And Gulayan, lays up. Good for two, easy basket patat. Here's Cabestany. Cabestany attacks. Minecos, lays up. Ooh, pogi moves. Loreta. Mid-range, pass inside na libre. Tumira sa dos. Pasok na pasok. Imabra. Loreta. Number 4. Stop, bounce pass to the middle. Kick out, launch three. Too strong, rebound, put back. That's Gulaya. And here's Cabestany. And basket is good. Oh, matatapikan dito. And it's number 5. Boom! For the inbound, looking for receiver. Pass to number 7, number 8, pull up J. The lucky bounce. And here's Bizares, spins. Bizares, behind the back dribble, spins. Oh, ooh, the basket and the foul. Bizares. And here's Bizares. Loreta. Cross pass. Launch three. Bang! Lagi. Cabestany, attacks, floater, basket is good. Ayan. Loreta. Kakaldag. Pass back, Loreta. Bizares. Oy! That's no bas. Cabestany. Takes. Plays up. Uy, lumipad si Idol. And here's Duka. Duka Jocic. And number 5. Uy, side step. Uy, the Euro step coming from Bizares. Bizares pass to number 0, Loreta. Loreta. Pumapa-dance-dance. Loreto. Loreta fires. Sares, nakalusot. Binit-bit, reverse layup, no good. Oop, na-recover. And here's Gulayan. O, bumangga, giba. At Gulayan. Spins. Oh, nice move again. Win, Bizares. And Duka, Jocic. Too strong. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Abra.